Phagocytes are specialized cells in our body that play a crucial role in maintaining our health by engulfing and digesting dead or harmful cells. This process, known as phagocytosis, is essential for tissue homeostasis and the immune response. During phagocytosis, a phagocyte surrounds a dead cell or pathogen, engulfs it, and then breaks it down using enzymes. This recycling system is vital for clearing cellular debris and fighting infections. In the context of tissue health, the life cycle of a cell inevitably leads to its death, either naturally through programmed cell death, apoptosis, or due to injury. When cells die, phagocytes quickly move to the site to clean up the remnants, ensuring that dead cells do not accumulate and cause inflammation or disease. The importance of phagocytes extends to their role as immune cells. They are the body's first line of defense against infections by pathogens such as bacteria and viruses. By engulfing these invaders, phagocytes prevent the spread of infections and activate other immune responses. This careful balance of consuming dead cells and harmful pathogens highlights the incredible versatility of phagocytes. However, when the process of phagocytosis goes awry, it can lead to health problems, including autoimmune diseases where the body mistakenly attacks its own healthy cells. Researchers are continuously studying phagocytes to understand their function better and develop treatments for related diseases. Advances in microscopic imaging and molecular biology have provided deeper insights into this crucial cellular process. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle, including proper diet and exercise, can positively influence the function of phagocytes, thereby supporting overall immune health. The science behind phagocytosis is a testament to the body's ability to self-regulate and protect against disease, making phagocytes the unsung heroes of our immune system.